Hey guys, it's D. Allen with the Allen Turner Home Team, and I wanted to give you a heads up on a series, a little short series we're going to run over the next couple of weeks, focused on first-time home buyers and some steps they can take to get started and get prepared to buy that first house. We do a ton of business with first-time home buyers, and we thought it might be a good idea to get some tips out there. This is the time of year when you start thinking about what I'm going to be doing next spring. Certainly for buyers who haven't bought before, they got a lot of planning and got a lot of preparation. So this is going to be a great series. Like I said, it's going to be around 6 o'clock in the evening, every evening during the week for the next 12 days, starting today. So anyway, check it out, 6 o'clock on our Facebook page that you're obviously looking at now, or you wouldn't be seeing this. That's the Allen Turner Home Team at Century 21. So, and give us a call if you have any questions. That's D and Nick at the Allen Turner Home Team. Look forward to hearing from you soon.